Hey guys, it's Chris with MarketIntelligenceCM.com, and on today's video I would like to show you a fantastic way of how you can make $5 a day without doing absolutely nothing. That is correct. I'm not making fun of you or making any jokes with this one. It's a very nice way you can make $5 a day. I know it's not much, but you can still make $5 a day, which is gonna make a difference if you add them up without doing nothing. It takes you 30 seconds to do it, to set it up and have it running for you. But before we go ahead and start this video and show you all about it, let me go ahead and ask you to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online. And also, if you haven't already, to click the subscribe button, which you can find always the subscribe on the very right side of this video. And with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Alright guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. What I would like to show you today is about a website called airmoney.network. The link is going to be on the description below this video, and what you can do with this site, guys, it's very easily. You can start download this software by clicking here the download software on the very top. It will take you 30 seconds to set it up, and pretty much what you need to do, or the only thing you need to do, is a laptop or a PC where you can download the software, and then from there on just run it. And what you're gonna do, basically what this does is you sharing the processor of your computer. Yeah, just one second, let me hide this. You're sharing the processor of your computer, so through your computer, this site, and through the app you're downloading, is sharing some tasks that it is able to run on your computer. So based on the specs on your computer, let's say for example, you can go to normal, crawl, faster, and supersonic. My PC is pretty decent, so I'm using the supersonic one, and you can see the performance, the task, the rate, and so on. Is a little bit more technical, but you have nothing to worry about. So if you are not sure about the specs of your computer, start with normal, which is pretty fair. It's a pretty fair consumption of your CPU and your tasks, and you will not see a lot of difference. If you see that you don't see any difference and the tasks are running on the background, you can go to faster, then go try to the supersonic, which is the maximum. Yeah, so how these things work: you download it, as I show you from here. Very easy. Click to download. You get the software, extract, running, and up to 30 seconds you can do it. So you get payments via PayPal, Payoneer, Western Union, Payza, Connect, and Bitcoin, which is very nice. We were able to work from home. Are you looking at a way to make money from the comfort of your house? Yes. Use your laptop or PC? Yes. And you can start making money out of 30 seconds. You getting paid instantly. So we make payments to our workers and users every 24 hours, which is great. So it will take you 30 seconds to download, and you'll be able to get paid at the end of the day. So how this works, again, if you didn't understand the concept of this, you will download this software, and the software, what's installed, it will take CPU and run tasks on the background. You don't have to do anything. Download it, run it, allocate how much speed you want to do. As I told you, you can go from crawl, slower, normal, faster, and supersonic. So based on this one, you just need to set it once, and you have it running on the background, and you will be able to see here on the right side how fast it goes, right here, how fast it goes, and so on from there, and you will be able to see the different tasks running. That's it, guys. This is very simple. Nothing else you need to do. Just go ahead, download it, choose the speed you want to, and you start making money out of it. Stay on the couch, lazy, browse around, browse Facebook, do your chats, send your emails, and money will start coming in. So it's not a lot of money. It's not gonna make you rich overnight, guys. If $5 put together a day, $5 a day, that's $150 per month just by having this running on the background of a computer. So with those $150, you can invest it on something else. $150 for some people is going to be a lot of difference because you pay some expenses and so on. So nothing to lose. This, guys, is available. You're able to run for any country as long as your PC is up and running and you download it. That's it. You don't need anything else. So this is it, guys. I do hope you like the content of this video. Really short, fast, and how you can make this money. If you do like the content, do hit subscribe and thumbs up in order to stay tuned for the next video. And as I told you, this is not gonna make you rich overnight. It's gonna bring you some cash in, and it's always great to have some cash coming in. If you don't want to see my #1 recommendation on how you can actually make good passive income from the comfort of your house with no money down to start with, and you take it from there, just click the link below this video in the description and see from there. Watch the video with proof. As all my videos, everything is tested, everything is working. That's why I'm showing you this. And that's it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have an amazing day ahead, guys. Start making some money, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.